Look around you. What do those faces tell you?
Faces, joy and pain. Faces, faces everywhere. People all over town, some of them are poor and others wear a crown. I've seen a lot, so many faces, joy and pain in different places. Open your mind, set yourself free, figure it out, what will it be? Sympathize, understand, give love and peace to the other fellow man. Faces, joy and pain.
Look around you. Do you see the faces? What do those faces tell you?
Everywhere I go, different faces I see.
I'm the one in control, killing over colors, silly stupid games. You know who you are without no names. Don't mess the world cause that's a sequel. Open your mind cause we're talking about the people in the world, all kind of traces, different races, different faces.